Welcome, and follow me is a Amazon Fire phone, and today I will show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So to start off, we will need to open up the settings app, so we can either pull it from the app tray right here, as you can see, or also from the top, and you will have right here the icon. Once you're in settings, navigate into the display category right here, and at the bottom of this category you will see select home screen wallpaper. So tap on it, and then you will see change your home screen wallpaper. From here you have the option to select the default ones that come preloaded, just different colors of basically the same wallpaper, or you can tap on my photos as well, and from here you can choose either wallpaper that is your photo or something that you have downloaded from the internet. I only have a screenshot, so I'm going to use that as an example. As you can see, a screenshot of the app tray. And you have a little button here to cancel or confirm, so just tap on confirm, and now you can see it's set to your photo. And if I go to home screen, it should look completely messy, so you can see. So now basically the wallpaper is your app tray. So that is basically how you change the wallpaper, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.